All right, guys, we got Steely Dan up today. My Old School. Let's take a listen. And so forth. Hello everyone, I'm Shawn and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson here. The rest of the lessons for this, as well as, 5,000 videos now. We've reached 5,000 over 12 years. So a great library of lessons there for you on webpianoteacher.com. Works on all your phones, your tablets, and your desktop computers, laptops, whatever you're viewing on. We got a new player too. We got the Vimeo player. It's a great player. Fast streaming. Also have an artist search now. If you're looking for particular lessons by a particular artist, I added that search function now on the browse lessons, so you can do that if you're a member. All right, well, let's get going here. This is just fun to play. That's all I can say about it. We're going to start with left hand with a low E octave. Then the right hand's going to come in with B flat, D, E, G, 2, 3, 4, 5, if you can do that. What we're doing is we're kind of slamming down on that A, you know, kind of a blues thing. You almost really play them at the same time and let the A keep going. So you get that blues, all right? So it's 1. Play that E staccato octave in the left hand. Let it have space. And then we'll play on count 3. G, D, E, G. I'm going to use 1, 3, 4, 5. Left hand on an E, so it's 1. 1. So kind of syncopated. 1. Bum, bum, bum. Now as you hold that, you'll come in with the E octave again on the left hand. Then the right hand, G, D, E, G. You can see the staccatos, just reminding you to leave space in there. Okay, so even if you play the right chords at the right time, if you don't play the right style, which includes, the space, staccatos, and all of that, it won't sound right. Now we'll kind of connect these, B flat, D, E, G. I'm still using 2, 3, 4, 5 because that's not hard for me to do. It might be for you, so you might want to use 1, 2, 3, 5 to get to the A. But I'm using these fingers like this. And then G, G, D, E, G. So you can hear the melody in the bottom. Bum, 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 ba-dum, bum. Put the left hand in there. 1. Now the hard thing there will not necessarily be playing it, but the rhythm of it. So stick on that until you get it right. Again, 1. Then 1. Done. All right, now I recommend from this point maybe doing some on the octave stuff on the left hand. Since we're not a band, we don't have Steely Dan's band with us, we're just a solo piano player, solo keyboard player, to feel free to play that octave how many times you want. So I'm ba, ba, ba. You can play it once if you're new at this, new at vamping the left hand. But if you're used to it, so C octave there, and then G, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to change that the top note to an E flat, and then back to an E natural 2 times. I'm really enjoying the setting on my keyboard, the reverb and the chorus both, on this old Casio keyboard from 15 years ago from Best Buy. I love it. It's fine for me. But the reverb and the chorus just adds a live sound to it, Now we ba-ba-ba. The piano does not play that. The brass plays it, and mainly. But I think we need to put it in there, because we're just not just going to sit there. We need to play something. So what you can do is G, B flat to B natural, flip it with 2 to 3, D with the 5th finger. Now on this, instead of going B, A, G, I like to go B, B flat, A, G with 4, 3, 2, 1. And then A, E, and then we're on a G. So then if you can make the left hand do it too, it's kind of technically difficult for your left hand. might be hard for a lot of you. Certainly for left hand, it's more difficult. Both hands. And then A, E, G. You can just do one hand if you want. And then to the G. But from the beginning, we have 1. 1. And then now, this is not a beginner lesson. So some people go, man, this is too hard. You're going too fast. Well, you might be trying something that's out of your league for now. Not forever, but maybe for now. Maybe you need to try some of the easy lessons on my website, webpianoteacher.com. If you scroll down the main library list to the letter L, alphabetically, there are 79 lessons. There used to be 50, now there's 79 lessons that will get you started, get you used to playing chords, help you with rhythms, get your hands playing together. And so you can work up to something like this, because you know, I'm assuming that you already can play, and you're used to following my method at this point. So this is not a beginner lesson by any means. All right, one more time, and then we'll wrap it up. 1. Really fun song. I had forgotten about this particular Steely Dan song. I've done some others. There are other lessons Steely Dan on the site, but I had forgotten about this one. Fun transcribing it, but we do the whole thing on the website. If you guys enjoyed the part 1, talk to you later.